When you ask Alexa to play your favorite song or use Google Translate, you're tapping into the incredible world of natural language processing, or NLP. NLP is all about teaching computers to understand and respond to human language in a meaningful way, making our interactions with technology feel more natural. The journey of NLP started in the 1950s with simple rule-based systems, evolving through statistical models and exploding in the 2000s with deep learning breakthroughs like BERT and GPT. Today, NLP is everywhere, from chatbots and virtual assistants to sentiment analysis and machine translation, transforming how we communicate. But NLP isn't without its challenges. Human language is complex, filled with ambiguity and bias, and researchers are working hard to make it better and fairer. Looking ahead, the future of NLP is bright. Expect systems that understand emotions and intent, breaking down language barriers while ensuring ethical use. NLP is not just technology, it's the future of how we communicate. For more insights, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com.